Uptown Swing.
Level 1, a count, Peter Bell.
We did most of the review, but the last thing we did the review style was this here. We did catch, that's one, yeah. Let's do it again. We do catch, now keeps turning. I don't move that much, and I just turn a little bit. It all works. You all did so well with it. Then we did.
Always keep turning towards your left, so you can actually.
We just get to the left side. We did this inside turn. No. Boom, we did boom. And then we did the first circle. And that's what we're doing a twist at the end.
Yeah, because you kind of don't get a rock step there. You can actually set up and twist. So we worked on that separately. That set up and twist. We talked about how triple step is one-sided. And then you go boom, boom. We put the whole basic a little bit lower. Pa, pa, boom, pa, da, step, step. Twist, twist. So it wasn't too hard.
Put them together, leaders to be far enough away, and you're ready to do a swing on our circle. And that was it.